Hey everybody, welcome back to the Mocha channel, where today we're doing a natural glowy makeup look with your girl, Mocha. Hey! Oh no baby, these eyebrows have got to go. But don't worry, I got some products for us. First we're going to be using the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Frame and Set in the color Warm Brunette. And we're going to use the little spoonie brush that came with it, as well as another brush I have. So first we're going to use the brush and we're just going to comb our eyebrow hairs back. Make sure you get both sides now. Now going in with the spoonie, we're going to do just exactly what the brush did and brush our hairs back. Now going into the L'Oreal Brow Stylist, we're going to use the other end of the spoonie brush and dip it into the stylist. Just wipe off any excess that is still in the brush. What I do is I outline the shape of the eyebrow I want and then I'll just fill it in later. Hey, no double dipping? Nah, go back in as many times as you want to fill in your eyebrows, got? Now going back in with our spoonie brush, I'm just going to comb through our eyebrows to get any excess product out. Now we're going in with LA Girl's Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. This is how it looks when you open it. It's kind of a long, narrow tube. And now we're just going to squeeze some of the concealer out. I start off by outlining the top of my eyebrows. I connect in the middle of my eyebrows and then I start outlining under my eyebrows. Now it's time to blend with our beauty blender. This is a long part, which is why I hate it, but we're still gonna blend it anyway. I went back in with the brow stylist just to fill in any empty gaps in my eyebrows. Okay, eyebrows are done, and they look good. Hey, hold on. Okay, eyebrows on fleek, hey, eyebrows on fleek, hey, eyebrows on fleek, smooth, hey, but bam. Now you know we had to bring back the Modern Renaissance palette, and we're going in with this light brown shade called Raw Sienna. Then we're just going to put that in our crease and start blending. Next, we're going in with the Element of Surprise palette, and we're going to be using this brown called Details. Also putting that in your crease and blending it. Now on to eyelashes. We're going to first start with the eyelash curler and just curl our eyelashes. Now going in with our Maybelline New York Mega Plush Volume Express Mascara and just coating our eyelashes. Now we're going to do the same thing to our eyelashes, but we're going to be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. cute, pretty cute. But I feel like something is missing. What could it be? Oh, I know. Lashes. Oh, grrr. Bam! Them eyelashes did it, boo. Time for some highlight. I'm using the Wet n Wild highlighting powder. It's time to do them lips. Make sure you put on some chapstick before you put on any lipsticks, because we need our lips nice and moisturized. Now we are using this coconut oil lip gloss to get our lips nice and right. Wait, one more thing. Dance break. Nah, we're gonna use this Mario Badescu skincare spray to set our makeup. Alright, but what is you wearing, boo boo? You got to change, like now. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys like the look. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe to this channel. See you next time.